Welcome to Drive Club, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we dive into the latest masterpiece from Aprilia, the 2025 RSV4 Factory, a motorcycle that redefines performance, technology, and design. Engine and performance at the heart of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is its legendary 1.099cc V4 engine, now refined to deliver 225 horsepower and unmatched torque. Thanks to advanced aerodynamics and revised internal components, the RSV4 offers improved power delivery and blistering speed. It's a track weapon designed to dominate corners and straights alike. Cutting-edge technology. This year's RSV4 Factory is packed with next-gen electronics, including the revamped Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) suite, with lean-sensitive traction control, wheelie control, and multiple ride modes. It ensures a personalized riding experience for all skill levels. The inclusion of semi-active and SmartTech 2.0 suspension offers seamless adaptability for road and track conditions. Design and aerodynamics. Visually, the 2025 RSV4 Factory is a marvel. It features new winglets integrated into the fairing, enhancing downforce while maintaining a sleek profile. The redesigned LED lighting system and bold new graphics elevate its aggressive stance. Aprilia's focus on both form and function results in a bike that looks as fast as it feels. Rider comfort and usability. While designed for ultimate performance, Aprilia hasn't overlooked comfort. The ergonomic seat and repositioned foot pegs offer better rider control and comfort for long rides. Additionally, the 6.5-inch TFT display provides intuitive navigation for all critical settings, making the RSV4 Factory as user-friendly as it is powerful. Why the RSV4 Factory stands out. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory continues to set the benchmark in the superbike segment. Whether you're chasing lap times on the track or carving through mountain roads, its combination of power, technology, and precision engineering ensures an exhilarating ride every time. Stay tuned to Drive Club for more reviews, news, and updates on the world's finest motorcycles and vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thrilling content.